Hi, I'm Lee from Gorilla Wall, and what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to put in an under-fence plinth into a colorbond fence and a panel fence or a good neighbour fence, whatever it is that you want to call it. It is all colorbond. Sure, you could probably put these things under timber fences as well if you have the right setup, but what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to put an under-fence plinth, or another name is under-fence sleeper, into a colorbond fence, a good neighbour fence, or a panel fence. So come with us on site and we'll show you how it's done. How you going, Andrew? That's the guy that's holding the phone. What we've got here is we've got some under-fence plinths, and they're our 200mm high, and they're just standard plain concrete. And today what we're going to do is we're going to put these inside the good neighbour fence, or the panel fence, or the colorbond fence, whatever you want to call it. So come with me and we'll go put some of these suckers in. Alright, so now we're going to put our plain under fence plinth, or sleeper if you want to call it that, into the panel fence, the colorbond fence, the good neighbour fence. It's really a two-person lift. Go ahead and do it yourself if you really want to, if you think you're a he-man, but we'll show you how it's done. Just use your legs, Andrew. Bend down like this. There you go. Now let's get a closer look at that as well. Grab this phone. There you go. It's in there quite nice and snug. Now the best way to do this is when you're setting up your posts, is that we put inside a little bit of fence rail. We cut a little bit of fence rail. Don't know if you can see that in there. We put that in there and we put a screw in the side, and once we concrete that in, the fence plinth sits right on there and makes it all nice and level. So yeah, anyway, that's how you do it. And is that how you do it, Andrew?
Sure is, mate.
Anyway, we're going to put all these suckers in, and yeah, we'll show you the finished product at the end. Alright, I'm going to lift this up by myself. Don't do this at home, guys. I stuck my back. Oh, Andrew. Oh, I can't move. I can't put it down. Nah, I mean, he's joking. Seriously, don't do that though. I can do this sort of stuff, but you guys don't. Well, there you go, everyone. We've put in the under fence plinths. We've also put in the fence as well. And yes, I was here for the whole operation, and I got my hands dirty as well. But as you can see, it looks really good. Come and have a closer look, Andrew. Bring it over here. So get a look at that. So that sits on top of those two things that I talked to you before, the two little steel bits that we put inside the post. And that's our sleeper there. Now that's the chamfered edge, and the smooth face on the other side is a little bit rough, but that's where it retains the dirt. And these things, these under fence plinths that we put in here are 50 MPa, and they have 2 Rio bars going through them. So they're actually really quite strong, and they're engineered to be strong and to last forever. I don't know why you'd put timber under here. It seems to be a popular thing in Sydney. It just warps and discolours and just looks ugly. So if you're going to do something nice, you may as well do the concrete sleeper. Now come with me, I'll just show you what else it's good for. So now they can level this backyard and use that plinth and have no gap underneath the fence. So excuse the mess. Still a bit of cleaning up here to do, but the concreters or the pavers can sort that out. But as you can see, what we've done here is the damp course of the house is that, once they do a concrete path or paving, the concretes and the pavers have got something hard up against here. So yeah, as you can see, it makes it easier to for them to work up against, and they've got a nice hard surface. Otherwise it just sort of falls underneath and it looks like crap. Anyway, it finishes the job and it looks good, and we've worked hard today. And what do you reckon, Andrew? Time for a beer or something, is it?
Yeah, mate, I reckon it's about time.
No worries. All right, thanks for that, guys. And that's